Learn English to Gujarati feelings. Feeling, mood, fear, joy, shame, surprise, disappointment in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Feelings Circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through feelings, drama, and a suspiciously emotional potato. Relax and enjoy it. Welcome, brave learner. Today we enter the grand circus of emotions, where every clown has a vocabulary list and every elephant has a diary. Your first big word is feeling.
Lagni.
Put your hand on your heart and say it slowly.
Lagni.
Next comes mood.
Manodasha.
That is the weather inside your mind. Sunny, stormy, dramatic with a chance of snacks? That is your
Manodasha.
In this chapter, you will also meet fear, joy, shame, surprise, and disappointment. Yes, basically the full cast of a family group chat. Meet the emotional cast. Let us meet the stars one by one. You just listen, repeat, and maybe forgive the dramatic narrator. Feeling is
Lagni.
Example. This feeling is strong. In Gujarati.
આ લાગણી મજબૂત છે.
Mood is
મનોદશા.
Example. Music can improve your mood. In Gujarati.
સંગીત તમારી મનોદશા સુધારી શકે છે.
Fear is
ભય.
Example. She felt fear in the dark room. In Gujarati.
તેને અંધારા ઓરડામાં ભય लाग्यो.
Joy is
આનંદ.
Example. Music brings me joy. In Gujarati.
સંગીત મને આનંદ આપે છે.
What is
શું?
very useful when life gets weird. Example. What happened? In Gujarati.
શું થયું?
Shame is
શરમ.
Example. There is no shame in asking for help. In Gujarati.
મદદ માંગવામાં કોઈ શરમ નથી.
Surprise is
આશ્ચર્ય.
Example. What a surprise. In Gujarati.
કેવું આશ્ચર્ય.
Disappointment is
નિરાશા.
Example. The result was a big disappointment. In Gujarati.
પરિણામ મોટી નિરાશા હતું.
A very emotional tea stall. Now let us learn through a tiny story. It has tea, confusion, and the emotional range of a soap opera. You walk to a tea stall in Gujarat. The tea seller looks at you with deep
લાગણી.
as if he has known you since another life. You ask for tea. He gives you soup. You blink and say,
શું?
He nods seriously, as if soup is the new tea. Your
મનોદશા.
changes quickly, first hopeful, then confused, then oddly impressed. A goat suddenly jumps onto a chair. The tea seller feels.
ભય.
The goat feels.
આનંદ.
You feel.
આશ્ચર્ય.
Then the goat steals your snack. Now you feel.
નિરાશા.
You try to chase the goat, trip over a bucket, and everybody watches. Ah yes, now comes
શરમ.
Congratulations. In one tea break, you have learned half the human experience. Repeat after me. This part is simple. Hear it, say it, own it. You can even sound dramatic. I support that. Feeling.
લાગણી.
Feeling.
લાગણી.
Mood.
મનોદશા.
Mood.
મનોદશા.
Fear.
ભય.
Fear.
ભય.
Joy.
આનંદ.
Joy.
આનંદ.
What?
શું?
What?
શું?
Shame.
શરમ.
Shame.
શરમ.
Surprise.
આશ્ચર્ય.
Surprise.
આશ્ચર્ય.
Disappointment.
નિરાશા.
Disappointment.
નિરાશા.
Mini dialogues. You are ready for tiny real-life moments. These are short, useful, and less dangerous than the goat. A. What is this feeling? B. It is.
લાગણી.
A. How is your mood today? B. My
મનોદશા.
is calm today. A. Are you scared? B. Yes, a little.
ભય.
A. How do you feel at the festival? B. I feel.
આનંદ.
A. The box is moving. B.
શું?
Is inside? A. I said the wrong name at the wedding. B. Oof. That is.
શરમ.
A. Everyone came to my surprise party. B.
આશ્ચર્ય.
A. Was the gift amazing? B. No. Only.
નિરાશા.
Quick quiz, no panic. Let us see what's stuck in your brain. If you miss one, no problem. That is learning, not a courtroom drama. What is the Gujarati word for feeling?
લાગણી.
What is the Gujarati word for mood?
મનોદશા.
What is the Gujarati word for fear?
ભય.
What is the Gujarati word for joy?
આનંદ.
How do you say what in Gujarati?
શું?
What is the Gujarati word for shame?
શરમ.
What is the Gujarati word for surprise?
આશ્ચર્ય.
What is the Gujarati word for disappointment?
નિરાશા.
Your tiny challenge. Now it is your turn. You do not need perfection. You just need one brave attempt. Try this challenge out loud. Say one sentence about your day using at least 2 Gujarati words. For example, my
મનોદશા.
changed from
ભય.
to,
આનંદ.
or I opened the fridge and felt.
આશ્ચર્ય.
Then,
નિરાશા.
because there was only one lonely carrot. Bonus points if you add.
શું?
In a shocked voice. Warm goodbye. You made it through the emotional circus. Nicely done. Today you learned feeling,
લાગણી.
mood,
મનોદશા.
fear,
ભય.
joy,
આનંદ.
what,
શું?
shame,
શરમ.
surprise,
આશ્ચર્ય.
and disappointment.
નિરાશા.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing a little every day, repeat the words out loud, and use them in silly mini-stories so they stick. You are doing great, and your Gujarati is growing one word at a time.